Alpine bellflowers, scientifically known as Campanula carpatica, are charming perennial flowers that grace gardens with their delicate blooms. These bell-shaped flowers are native to the mountains of Central Europe and are well suited to alpine and rock gardens. In this video, we will guide you through the process of growing alpine bellflowers from seed, from sowing to transplanting. Materials needed: alpine bellflower seeds, seed starting trays or pots, seed starting mix or well-draining soil, clear plastic wrap or a seedling tray cover, watering can or spray bottle, grow lights or a sunny location, transplant pots or containers, all-purpose fertilizer, garden tools, trowel, watering can, etc. Step 1. Obtaining seeds. Make sure to choose a reputable source to ensure the quality and viability of the seeds. Step 2. Preparing the seed starting mix. Fill seed starting trays or pots with a well-draining seed starting mix. Alternatively, you can create your own mix by combining equal parts peat moss, perlite, and vermiculite. Step 3. Sowing the seeds. Sow the alpine bellflower seeds on the surface of the seed starting mix. Lightly press them into the soil, but avoid burying them too deep. The seeds require exposure to light to germinate successfully. Step 4. Providing moisture and cover. Moisten the seed starting mix by gently watering it or using a spray bottle. Cover the trays or pots with clear plastic wrap or use a seedling tray cover to create a greenhouse-like environment. This helps retain moisture and creates optimal conditions for germination. Step 5. Providing optimal growing conditions. Place the seed trays or pots in a warm location with indirect sunlight or under grow lights. The ideal temperature for germination is around 65-70 def, 1821 dec. Ensure good air circulation to prevent mold or fungal growth. Step 6. Germination. Alpine bellflower seeds usually take around 2-3 weeks to germinate. Keep an eye on the moisture levels, ensuring the soil remains consistently moist but not waterlogged. Mist the soil lightly with water when needed. Step 7. Caring for seedlings. Once the seedlings emerge, remove the plastic cover. Move them to a location with bright, indirect sunlight. Keep the soil evenly moist and avoid overwatering to prevent damping off. Thin out the seedlings if necessary, allowing sufficient space for each plant to grow. Step 8. Transplanting. When the seedlings develop 2 to 3 sets of true leaves, they are ready for transplanting. Prepare individual pots or containers with well-draining soil. Gently lift the seedlings from the tray, being careful not to damage the roots, and transplant them into the pots. Water the newly transplanted seedlings thoroughly. Step 9. Outdoor planting. After the last frost date in your area, and when the seedlings have grown to a suitable size, you can transplant them into your garden or desired outdoor location. Choose a spot with full sun to partial shade and well-draining soil. Step 10. Regular maintenance. Water the plants regularly, ensuring the soil remains consistently moist. Avoid overwatering, as alpine bellflowers prefer slightly drier conditions compared to other plants. Apply a balanced, all-purpose fertilizer according to the manufacturer's instructions to promote healthy growth and abundant.